JP Morgan says Ethereum has been disappointed since its Shanghai upgrade. You know a project that I can think of that hasn't been disappointing since its launch to this present moment for the past 19 months, going on to 20 months? It's the project we're about to cover in this video. Caspians, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, become a channel member to support even further. Tune into the live streams and watch until the end so you don't miss anything. This is from Vasil. This is what I was talking about when ETH shut down mining. Proof of stake will never beat proof of work. Actually, Vitalik killed GPU mining and the whole industry of that kind. That's why I now strongly believe in Cas. In my opinion, Kaspa is better than ETH in this stage. And when you hear a claim like that, you would think, man, that is an outrageous claim. We have no smart contracts on Kaspa. There's no trade volume, no transactions, no DeFi, GameFi, TVL in Kaspa. But what was the core principle on what crypto was founded on? Crypto was founded on being the Nakamoto consensus, being a new form of money, a new form of financial institutions, because the previous financial system, the fiat system, is collapsing right before our eyes. $35 trillion in US debt. The economy in complete shambles. People that are younger, is it called Gen Z? I think it's Gen Z. The younger generation, people under the age of 35, can't afford houses, can't afford rent, can't afford groceries anymore. Things are getting absolutely horrendous for the world as we know it. And I already know the previous financial system will reset, will change completely, and these new technologies will be the future. Kaspa is the future, right? When ETH transitioned to proof of stake and moved over to ETH 2.0, what was the purpose of that? Like, honestly, the gas fees are still super high. It's still very centralized. Ethereum just, Vitalik just sold some ETH. He just sent some ETH to Coinbase to sell. He just sent some ETH to Coinbase to sell, man. Now, don't get me wrong, Ethereum, amazing project. Bitcoin, Ethereum, king. And we already know Ethereum is, queen, if you will, or second, number two, top, number one, number two. But technologies are always evolving and changing, right? Other protocols are going to release that are better than previous protocols. It always happens, right? Bitcoin was created, and then Ethereum was created to build on top and, not build on top, but like cover or compensate for the things that Bitcoin can't do, Same thing why, for example, Elon Musk loves Dogecoin, another proof of work project. I know it's a meme coin, but Dogecoin is faster than Bitcoin, right? And that's why Elon Musk loves Dogecoin so much. New technologies always release to fix issues in the previous, systems. And with Bitcoin, what's the issues with Bitcoin? It's very slow. You have to use layer 2s like Lightning to scale. It's getting expensive with ordinals and all of the transactions that is happening there. It's very decentralized. It's completely decentralized and very secure though, right? But it does have drawbacks. And we don't see the same thing here with Kaspa. And it's the same thing with Ethereum. It has scaling issues. It's very expensive. Yes, it's fast. Yes, it's, fast and, a lot of, it has a very huge, its ecosystem is massive. But it has drawbacks, right? New technology beat old technology. Kaspa as far as I can see, doesn't have any drawbacks. Not at this stage, not at this point in time. Maybe 10 years from now, there's going to be new protocols that come out that, 10 years from now, Kaspa for some reason has drawbacks. But at this stage, going into the next 5 to 10 years, in my opinion, the top 10 crypto are going to look vastly different. And Kas, to me, might just be number 3, if not number 2 in the future as well. Because guess what? There's no drawbacks. No drawbacks for decentralization, security, because it's proof of work. No drawbacks in speed, the fastest proof of work project because of block dag night. 10 BPS per second, 100 BPS per second eventually, right? There's no scaling issues. It's not expensive to transact with Kas, to send and receive cash. Very interesting stuff, guys. Let me get your thoughts. From Jim Skibum, are you a data person? Want some on-chain data on Kas? Here are sites where you can get data on Kas. Kaspa Analytics, Kas.fyi. Look into Kas.com for distribution. Kas.fyi for like wallets. TPS that we have. Kaspalytics for the activity of the network. Pretty interesting. Love to see this kind of stuff. Hash rate, to check the hash rate of Kas and its analytics as well, right? Pretty cool. I like this a lot, right? Love seeing the numbers. I'm a numbers guy, even though the math for me don't be mathing a lot, right? But that's very interesting. And next we got from Captain Stats Antonopolos explaining how Polkadot, Ethereum are ghost-based. Vitalik used Ghost and ETH to achieve provably secure and fast block times. The inventor of Ghost has founded Kas and is breaking records on NC proof of work. Let's take a look.
Ridwan asks, can I elaborate on Polkadot's consensus mechanism, which is called Grandpa? It's the ghost-based
created by Jonathan and Aviv Zohar,
which is Ghost is the heaviest object state tree or something like that, which is a mechanism used in the consensus algorithm of Ethereum at first, and other systems too. Grandpa is kind of an extension of that. The recursive ancestor deriving prefix agreement. Ridwan.
Very interesting. Absolutely interesting. So again, Kaspa's founders' fingerprints are all over a lot of people's favorite protocols, favorite projects in the space. This is from Polkadot, right? This is Polkadot. Ethereum, Polkadot, Filecoin, Monero, the list goes on and on. Caspians. People have to wake up, man, and do their research. Like, I don't know why people would fade such a great project. But by the time they're ready to get in, it's already at $1, right? Happens all the time. But that is very interesting to see, man. The more I research, the more I look into things, the more I see, like, Kas is here. Founder has fingerprints there. Aviv somewhere, it's absolutely amazing how far their research has spread and how far their previous protocols have spread. So why not take a bet on their newest technology? From charts, my Kaspa strategy: every time Kas touches the multi-year trend line, I buy. This is Kas' strongest support line. Don't underestimate this one. As you guys can see, Kas has been on a constant uptrend, and I think the uptrend continues straight into the bull market. It's right here in your face, right? A lot of traders say the trend is your friend, and trust me, with Kas, it is truly your friend. So right now, after we recently hit the new all-time high, we're seeing that retrace, and I'm sure we're gonna touch the trend line once again and bounce right off of it. Kas right now sitting at 47 cents. $978 million in market cap, just under $1 billion, $11.3 million in 24-hour trade volume. Again, back to the first tweet. Ethereum. JP Morgan says Ethereum has been disappointing since its Shanghai upgrade. What hasn't been disappointing, Caspians, is Kaspa. If you're tuning in, man, let me get your thoughts down below. I just wanted to dive into, this tweet because it really stood out to me. I really wanted to really dissect it and break it down. If you're watching, thank y'all so much for tuning in as always. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member, tune into the live streams. Catch you in the next one.